Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Good Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! 每周国家北美美国加拿大墨西哥古巴巴拿马牙买加海地哥斯达黎加格陵兰南美巴西秘鲁智利阿根廷哥伦比亚玻利维亚巴拉圭乌拉圭委内瑞拉厄瓜多尔圭亚那测验A 墨西哥 B 巴拿马 C 加拿大 A. 巴拉圭 B. 巴西 C. 古巴。A. 南美 B. 美国 C. 美洲。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。